Good morning. I did a little video of my baby Taylor 2 days ago, and I mentioned that it needed strings because the strings were flat. Well, I've had it restrung with Elixirs. My luthier used 80/20s instead of phosphorus. Probably should have used the phosphorus because they have a warmer sound, and being a small guitar, you might want the warmer sound so it doesn't sound like a toy. It's not a toy, it's a Taylor, but with the 80/20s have a little bit brighter sound, but still it comes alive and it sounds really, well, I'll let you be the judge of how it sounds. It had no sustain before. It had no sustain before with the old strings. So I just wanted to give a brief little sample of how it sounds with new strings on it. There's a light, a certain kind of light that's never shown on me yet. I want that to be, live with you, live with you. There's a way. So I think the Elixirs do it well, even with the 80/20s. I do appreciate the liveliness of them. My fingers have to get readjusted to a smaller fretboard. When I'm sitting here playing different instruments with different size fretboards, it takes me a few minutes to readjust. But like I said, I think it sounds pretty good. Never can accuse a baby Taylor of not being loud enough. It really does project. I think the back, if you could see how the back is curved out, it's rounded out, which helps it with the big guitar sound. Okay, well that's it. I just wanted to show it with, demonstrate it with new strings, so you can see the difference for yourselves. Thanks.